My name is Sam. I am a kid. I'm 8 years old. I wake up early every morning. I hear a noise. It is my alarm clock. I turn it off. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. I put on my shirt, pants, socks, and shoes. I go to the kitchen. My mom is there. She's cooking breakfast. The smell is good. She's making eggs, bacon, and toast. I sit down at the table. My little brother Jack is already sitting there. He's 5 years old. Mom puts our plates on the table. Jack and I start eating. The food tastes yummy. We drink orange juice too. After we finish, we put our dishes in the sink. "Hurry up, boys. The bus will be here soon," says Mom. Jack and I grab our backpacks. We put on our coats. It is cold outside today. We go wait at the bus stop. Other kids are there too. We talk and laugh while we wait. The yellow school bus arrives. We get on the bus. I sit with my best friend, Michael. Jack sits near the front. We wave bye to our mom as the bus drives away. At school, we go to our classrooms. The morning starts with the Pledge of Allegiance. Then we have reading time. I read a book about dinosaurs. They are my favorite. Next is math class. We learn how to add and subtract bigger numbers. I understand most of it. Some parts are hard though. After math, we have snack time. I eat an apple and some crackers from my lunchbox. Then it's time for spelling practice. At lunch, I eat a sandwich, carrots, and a cookie. Jack and I sit together in the cafeteria. We talk about our morning. After lunch, we have science class. We learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. It is really interesting. We also have art class where we paint pictures. Finally, the school day ends. We gather our things and go back outside. The bus takes us home. When we get home, Mom asks how our day was. "Good," we tell her. Jack and I go outside to play for a while. We ride our bikes around the neighborhood. We see some friends and join their game of tag. Around 5 o'clock, Mom calls us in for dinner. We are hungry. Dad is home from work now too. Mom made spaghetti and meatballs for dinner, one of my favorites. We sit around the table together as a family. We talk about our days. Dad asks Jack and I about school. After dinner, Jack and I clear the table and load the dishwasher. Those are our chores. Then we get ready for bed. First, we take baths and put on our pajamas. I brush my teeth again. Jack does too, but he needs help from Mom. Next, we read books for 30 minutes. Mom and Dad come tuck us into bed when it's time to go to sleep. They give us hugs and kisses goodnight. "Sleep tight, don't let the bedbugs bite," says Dad. "Night, Mom, night, Dad," Jack and I reply. I close my eyes and quickly fall asleep, dreaming about adventures with the dinosaurs I read about. The next day, I wake up and do it all over again. That's a typical day for me as a kid. This weekend is Saturday. I don't have school today. I sleep in a little later than usual. When I wake up, go watch cartoons in the living room. Mom makes pancakes for breakfast. I put syrup all over them. They are delicious. After we eat, Dad says we need to clean the house. First, Jack and I tidy up our room. We pick up our clothes and toys off the floor. We make our beds neatly. Next, we vacuum the floors downstairs. I push the big vacuum while Jack uses the little hand vac. We move carefully around the furniture. Mom is dusting all the surfaces. Dad takes out the trash from the bathrooms and kitchen. We open the windows to let fresh air in. After a few hours, the whole house looks neat and clean. We wipe off our sweaty foreheads. For lunch, we have grilled cheese sandwiches and tomato soup. It really hits the spot. In the afternoon, we go to the park. Jack and I play on the swings, go down the big slide, and dig in the sandbox. We run around chasing each other too. When we get tired, we relax under a tree and have a snack of fruit and granola bars that Mom packed. On the way home, we stop at the grocery store. We help Mom and Dad push the cart and put things in. We get stuff to make tacos for dinner. At home, Dad starts cooking the taco meat, while Mom dices up tomatoes, lettuce, cheese, and other toppings. I set the table and put out plates, napkins, forks, and knives. Jack arranges the toppings in little bowls. For dinner, we make taco shells and fill them with the yummy fillings however we like. I add a lot of cheese to mine. After dinner, the whole family plays a board game together. It's really fun, and we laugh a lot. By the time the game ends, it's almost bedtime. We get ready for bed again, following our nightly routine. I had a great day today, I tell Mom as she tucks me in. Me too. Thanks for helping out so much, she replies, giving me a kiss. I feel cozy as I drift off to sleep, looking forward to what adventures tomorrow will bring.